Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I wanted to tell you about these beautiful measuring cups. So these measuring cups are truly an asset to have around the house, and I'll tell you why. First of all, I love how they're made. They are glass, they are durable. I've kind of been banging them around, using them, and seeing just how durable they really are. And it's true, they really are. I've used them for mixing, I've used them for pouring, I've put them in the microwave, I've put them in the dishwasher, and they're not showing any signs of wear. I love that not even the red writing on the side of them has faded at all through everything that I've put them through. So you can see me here loading them in the dishwasher, which I have done several times since I've had them. And they do fine in there. They come out nice and clean. There's no residue on them or anything like that. So one thing that was very important to me was to be able to microwave these. I make a lot of soups and stews and things where I use chicken bouillon cubes, and I like to microwave them to soften them up before I put them in my soups. So it's very important to me that the handle not be hot when I microwave them. You can see that I put this on for 4 minutes, and then it was not hot. It was a little warm, but nothing that I couldn't handle. I put my whole hand around it and took it out of the microwave, and it wasn't really even that warm to touch. So overall, these measuring cups are just fantastic. I use them quite often. So does my daughter when she bakes things, and we just can't see our life without them. But that's just my point of view.